Hey, Wendy Patton here, just sharing with you a couple of things going on in my personal life. Some of you have already seen on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, probably everywhere I've posted about my little grandbaby. We are so excited that we have our first grandchild, and I just couldn't be happier. There's just nothing more important in life than that. And all of these years that have led up to this point have just been so amazing for me personally and my husband and my family. By the way, yep, there's my Christmas tree. We got it decorated early last night with one of our daughters. Sarah came over and helped us decorate it. So thank you, Sarah, if you're watching this. That was really helpful of you. She and I picked that tree out when we moved into our house, and she's helped me decorate it every year since. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, with the arrival of Aria, we also have another granddaughter or grandson, we don't know which one it is yet, coming sometime in the spring. And all of this relates back to real estate because, I think about how blessed we are. And why are we so blessed? Partly because God has truly blessed us, and I cannot take away anything from any of that. Let me just say that first of all. However, because he was able to show us this opportunity in real estate to invest and to make money beyond my wildest dreams and imagination, it has given us the opportunity to have an amazing lifestyle and being able to. I'm so excited because with these grandkids coming, I'm going to be able to spoil them. See, I never spoiled my children because I always wanted them to suck it up, buttercup, I'd always say, or, you want money, then what do you want to do? Stick stamps on my envelopes or just sweep the office floor? But grandkids, maybe it's going to be something a little different. And I'm really excited to be able to maybe show them the world and do different things with them that I would have never been able to do or even tried to do with our own children, which is, it maybe sounds sad to some of you and you might think that's mean, but I really did it because I wanted my children to be independent and self-sufficient and to learn the skills that my parents taught me about hard work. And although real estate investing has amazing profit and portfolio gains and net worth, it has really affected us with our net worth to the point I would have never imagined. However, all of that is because we did, work for it and we had that work ethic. And so I never wanted to take any opportunity of that away from my children. And that's how much I really care about them. And I care a lot about you too, as a real estate investor. So if you haven't really jumped in and really immersed yourself and working hard to learn different strategies, if you're on my site, you might be interested in lease options, subject to, seller financing, anything that's creative. I love that stuff because, in my background and my story, I started when I was young and broke. And thank God for those strategies because that's really what affected my life. So if you haven't gotten started yet and you might be young and broke like me or old and broke, like it doesn't matter, like a lot of people in this country are, unfortunately, then you have an opportunity to still get started and you can still make a change in the future and in your life. Start by something simple. Read my read my lease option, sandwich lease option book or my subject to book and course. Go to my website, wendypatton.com. There's so much information that's free there to get you started. And there's some really great course material. If that's the path you decide to go down and you want to do lease options or subject tos, buy my course, study it. It works. I have so many students all over the country that are just very successful with lease options. And it's a really great strategy to use when you need to be creative and even when you don't need to be creative, but you're able to be creative by learning those strategies. So hopefully you have a wonderful holiday, Christmas, I call it, and you learn a lot about real estate investing and prosper and are blessed as well. So have a great day.